I clicked unlock on the app. I walk in.
Hey, Robert.
How are you? How friendly of you. I appreciate that. Why don't I put on my safety belt? Interesting. No one's driving, so I can play whatever music I want. I'm reasonably confident I'm the most intelligent person in the car for once. And I can talk or have quiet to my heart's content. I'm in. Okay, here we go. Buddies, remember to clear my cache on my computer. Nice knowing you guys.
Hello from Waymo.
Thank you. Hello.
As we get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips.
Happy to.
This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always.
Yes.
So keep your seatbelt fastened, please.
Sure. Futuristic works for me.
Ones, or expecting, please see the seatback card
Wow.
for more information. We'll do all the driving, so please don't touch the steering wheel or pedals during your ride.
Nice Jaguar,
We
very
may use interior cameras,
spacious.
check on riders, improve our product, and more.
Wow.
But our microphones are only on when you're connected to rider support. So sing your heart out. We can't hear you. You can also use the app or passenger screen to speak to a rider support agent at any time. In the rare case of an emergency, please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain in the car unless there's an urgent need to exit. Rider support will connect with you and provide assistance. Finally, relax and thank you for riding with us.
No, thank you. I appreciate your encouragement to sing. I like the way that you change lanes. I will sing. I am the monarch of the sea, the ruler of the Queen's Navy. For Great Britain on to France, and we are his sisters and his cousins and his aunts, his sisters and his cousins and his aunts. Very seamless transition. I noticed that someone was a little bit late on the light and they knew to slow down and potentially stop. But very comfortable, smooth acceleration. I was driving in an Uber yesterday and the guy was very quick on the accelerator, even when there's no one in front of him, so it was very herky-jerky. This is nice and smooth. Very impressed. What's cool about this pass is that it's unlimited for the week for, a few miles in the Culver City, Westwood area where there's a good amount of things. My next stop after going to Westfield, Century City, will be to the Museum of Jurassic Technology, where I feel like there's no better bridge between Jurassic technology and AI automation self-driving. So that contrast needs to be appreciated. So I'm going to try it a little bit today. I'm all in on these electric vehicles. I have a Polestar myself, previously had a Tesla, and I just like the ability to charge for 15 bucks. Everyone's looking in to see, like, wait a minute, is there not a driver in that car? I had the same reaction myself. Oh yeah, so that Porsche was way off the line, but the Waymo knew to go a few feet to the right in order to avoid hitting them. So the perception that it has is pretty solid. And for all of you that are wondering about being trapped, there's a pullover option. There's a menu thing here. So let's see, menu. Yeah, you can see the map. You can music, temperature, writing tips. Oh, camera privacy. Mike's, okay, it's just saying that they're not gonna, yeah. Let's play a little music, sure. iHeart partnership. Let's go, because I may die from this, let's keep it calm and go classical. I wonder if I should mouth "help me" to the other drivers that are looking in right now. A deranged car. I think the giveaway is the top of it has that little, I don't even know what it is, some sort of GPS tracker. I have to look into the technology of that, but it's kind of emblematic of these self-driving cars, whereas back in the old days, you'll remember that the Lyft had the pink, I just recognized another guy, had the pink mustache, and everyone knew that that was exactly, a Lyft vehicle. So it was great branding, and it stuck out so aggressively. But with this, yeah, people know. The amount of looks that I'm getting right now, I feel like I'm driving in a Ferrari. I've never driven in a Ferrari. I have a friend that has, and I always have a million questions for him. But I feel like this music matches the epicness of this driving experience.